Respiration is the overall process by which your body gets oxygen and rids itself of carbon dioxide. For respiration to occur, you must breathe. Lungs have no skeletal muscle. The work of breathing is done by the muscles between your ribs called intercostal muscles, and by the diaphragm, a sheet of muscle that separates your lungs from your abdomen. Place your hand on your rib cage and take a deep breath. When you inhale, your diaphragm and intercostal muscles contract, increasing the size of your chest cavity. Air from outside your body rushes in to fill the extra space. When you exhale, the diaphragm and intercostal muscles relax, and the size of the chest cavity shrinks. Air is forced out of the lungs. Most people take about 12 to 15 breaths per minute when they are resting. You can consciously speed up or slow down your breathing for a short time, but generally your body adjusts your rate of breathing automatically. When you inhale, air enters through the nose or mouth, passes through the pharynx or throat, and into the larynx. The larynx contains the vocal cords as well as the epiglottis, a switch that keeps food and air on their proper paths. As long as you are not swallowing, the epiglottis stays open and air passes from the larynx into the trachea. The trachea branches into two tubes called bronchi. One bronchus leads to each lung. Inside the lung, the bronchi branch into smaller tubes called bronchioles. Air flows through the bronchioles and enters tiny air sacs called alveoli. Alveoli are arranged like grapes on a stem. There are millions of alveoli in each lung. Most of the gas exchange between the circulatory and respiratory systems takes place in the alveoli. Adjacent to each alveolus is a capillary through which oxygen-carrying red blood cells pass. There is a higher concentration of oxygen in the alveoli than there is in the lung capillaries. As a result, oxygen diffuses from the alveoli to the capillaries and is carried by the bloodstream to body tissues. The relative concentrations of carbon dioxide are just the opposite. There is a higher concentration of carbon dioxide in the lung capillaries than in the alveoli. As a result, carbon dioxide moves from the capillaries into the alveoli. It can then be expelled from the body when you exhale.